Dear students, today I am going to explain about APPEND mode programs and how to copy and delete records in file handling. So first of all, this APPEND mode program, a sequential data file named build.txt contains some item records having fields, serial number, item name, quantity and price per unit. So this program is used to add few item records in that file, few item records. So we don't know how many records we have to store. That's why we should use do loop while. If in this question is add 10 records, then we can use for next loop. So in this case there is few item records, so that's why we should use do loop while. So first of all, open build.txt in append mode, and the program is similar to that of output mode. The program is same. Just take input and write in a file 2, and do you want to continue? If yes, then loop will continue, otherwise loop will terminate. Let's take another example. So in this example we are going to count and display all the records from that file, including new field total. So first of all, we should open the file in input mode as has to, this is the file number. Then print statement display the field name of that data file. While not UF2, this is the file number, it should be same. Input has to, this statement will read the content of data file, and TOT is a variable which is used to calculate total price into quantity, it is total price. Then print all fields including total. Count equals to count plus 1 will count the total records in that file, and after went we should print total item records are count. Let's take another example. This program explains how to copy the content of file from build.txt to temp.txt. So first of all, we should open the file in input and output mode. Build.txt should be in input mode because we have to copy the content of build to temp.txt. So we should read the content from build.txt and write in temp.txt. So that's why we should open build.txt in input mode in order to read the content, and temp.txt file should be open in output mode because we are going to store data in temp.txt. So build.txt should be in input mode, we have to read the content, and we have to write in temp.txt should be output mode. And while not UF, we should read all the content from build.txt. We should read the content from build, that's why input has 2 and store in 3, that means temporary file temp.txt we have to store. So read the content from file 2 and write in a file 3. Then when close the file, 2 file we have to close. So this program will copy the records from build.txt to temp.txt. Let's take another example. This program explain how to delete the item records by name. So by name, any name, item name you can enter in order to delete. Let's take example laptop item. So we should open the file in 2 modes. Build.txt for input mode, we have to read the content from build.txt, it should be input mode, and another file temp.txt. Temp.txt file we should make this temporary file output mode. Temporary file should be output mode, and CLS input enter item name to be deleted. Which item name you are going to delete? So enter the item name. I name dollar. This is the variable that store which item is going to delete. Suppose I name dollar is laptop. Now while not UF2, we should read the content from input has 2 means we have to read the content from bill.txt because the file number is 2, so we have to read the content from bill.txt. Input has to read the content from bill, and this if statement is used to delete the records. If statement will delete the records. For example, UK's dollar, I name dollar. Suppose this I name dollar variable is store laptop. If this laptop is not equals to UK's dollar and dollar, this and dollar is a variable that stores the content of this data file and dollar and dollar and dollar. Suppose UK's dollar is equals to laptop. Here also laptop, here also laptop. Laptop is not equals to laptop, false. So if false, then no need to write here. If false, then don't write here. That means if you don't write the content of bill.txt in temporary.txt, so if laptop is not equals to laptop, this means condition false, so we will not write here. It means the laptop content will be deleted. So end if, when, and kill statement is used to delete file. Bill.txt file will be deleted, and name statement, it is used to rename the file. It will rename temporary file as bill.txt, so that we'll get again original file with deleted records. That means if statement will delete the records, and all the content of bill.txt will be stored in temp.txt, and bill.txt original file will be deleted, and temporary file will be renamed as bill.txt. So we'll get original file with new records. Thank you. Thanks for